Namaskar, welcome to the Common Times news updates. Since the nationwide lockdown has come into effect in the light of COVID 19, providing financial support to families has become a struggle for many. With major sources of livelihood for masses in India is under uncertainty, it is face masks which are coming to the rescue as a means of income generation. In this pursuit, Odisha's largest power plant, NTPC Talcher Kaniha, has been working persistently to support women in villages around its station. Partnering with various self-help groups, NTPC Talcher Kaniha is providing raw materials for stitching of face masks which are then being procured by the station for distribution among various stakeholders. This effort is not only making masks more accessible for people in rural areas but also ensuring an effective means of livelihood for many. Pushpalata Sahu of Mahamai SHG stitches around 300 masks every day and yet manages to walk around her household chores.
ନମସ୍କାର ମୁଁ ମାଇ ଗ୍ରୁପର ସଦସ୍ୟ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଏଇ ଏନ୍ଟିପିସି କରୋନା ହେବା ସକାଶେ ଏନ୍ଟିପିସି ଆମକୁ କପଡ଼ା ଦେଇ ଆମର ରୋଜଗାର କ୍ଷମତା ବଢ଼େଇଛି ଆଉ ଆମେ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ ନିଜ ଗୋଡ଼ରେ ବି ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇପାରୁଛୁ ନିଜେ ରୋଜଗାର କରିକି ବି ଆମ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ପୁଅ ଝିଅକୁ ପୋଷାକି କରିପାରୁଛୁ ବି ନିଜେ ବି ପୋଷାକି ହେଇପାରୁଛୁ ଏନ୍ଟିପିସି ତରଫରୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ଯଶୋମତୀ ସାହୁ ମୁଁ ଆଦର୍ଶ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ଆଉ ଏନ୍ଟିପିସିରୁ ମୋତେ ମେସିନ୍ मुझे मिला है एनटीपीसी हमको कपड़ा देजी आम खाली सिलाई करुँ आमको 10 टंका दूजी मार्च लॉकडाउन होपाई आमको एक ग्रुप करपारनु निज घरे सब करूँ निज निज घरे
एनटीपीसी आमको सिलाई मेसीन देला आम ट्रेनिंग पाइलु एनटीपीसी मेसीन देवारू आम मास्क बनाऊँ सी सार को धन्यवाद। आम परिवार एसएचजी महामाई ग्रुप आमर आम परिवार मास्क बनैकी रोजगार करुचु आम परिवार को पोषुचु एनटीपीसी को धन्यवाद।
ମୁଁ ବିଷ୍ଣୁପ୍ରିୟା ସାହୁ ମୁଁ ମା ତୁଳସୀ ଏସ୍ଏସ୍ଜି ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଭୀମକାଣ୍ଡରୁ କହୁଛି।
आमको एनटीपीसी तरफ मास्क शिखा जाए जेहेतु आम मास्क तैयारी करुँ आम फ्री टाइम रे मास्क तैयारी करुँ डेली 300 मास्क तैयारी
खाली समय घरे बसी रोलु एनटीपीसी तरफ किसी साहाय्य मिलू आम करूँ यहाँ उपकृत हो पार्चु यहाँ बड़ एनटीपीसी धन्यवाद।
In total, women from 4 SHGs have been supplied with cloth material to stitch 10,000 reusable face masks which will be directly procured by NTPC Talcher Kaniha. With this lockdown, the usual stitching of ladies' suits has stopped, so the sale of masks provides a stable source of income for me, says Jasasvi Sahu of Matulsi Self-Help Group in Bhimkand. Sewing machines and all necessary trainings were also provided to the women by the station under its corporate social responsibility for women empowerment. The masks are being distributed to contractual workers, sanitation staff, villages and other stakeholders. NTPC Talcher Kaniha has distributed over 12,000 masks to various frontline workers in and around its station and continues to do so. Julfikar Hussain, The Common Times, Angul.